You can see that this is the pattern, and this pattern is show the diffraction, and that angle is called, that is called the angle of diffraction. And the property of diffraction is the bend of light at the corners. अगर आप देखेंगे यहाँ से लाइट अगर पास होके इस लेंस से यहाँ कन्वर्ज होगी तो दैट इज द फर्स्ट केस. That case is called, that is called the central maxima. You can see this, that is called the central maxima. But if light is bent the corners, this is the wave front and this is the wavelength by Huygens rule. So you can see that the second pattern will be formed at point P. So if again light will diffract, you will get the again different P. So the pattern is the going on, that pattern is called, that is called the diffraction pattern. And this is called the central maxima. And now this time we have to calculate. We have given that the distance d, we have given that the small distance already given d, and we have given the lambda wavelength, and we have given the diffraction angle. So देखिए already all the data is here. Diffraction angle also given, wavelength is also given. We have to find the maxima and minima, and we have to find the first maxima and first minima. So please go through the pattern. That is called the first maxima. जहाँ आपको पहली बार maxima मिलेगा, that is called the first maxima. This one is called the first maxima. And this pattern, you can see that this pattern is called, that is called the first minima. So this is called first minima, and the pattern, this one is called, that is called the first maxima. You can see in the graph. So we will use the formula of maxima and minima, and now we will find the first minima. This time we will substitute the value of m 1, and this is the formula of minima. Now this is the 700 nanometer, convert into meter. D we have to calculate. We have to calculate the distance of two slits, and now substitute the diffraction angle 30 degree. So we will calculate the value of d, and this is the d. अगर हमें diffraction चाहिए तो एंगल जो होगा वो यहाँ जो 30 डिग्री एंगल होगा उसके बीच का जो डिस्टेंस होना चाहिए वो डिस्टेंस होना चाहिए दो स्लिट के बीच का 14.10⁻⁻7. अब देखिए हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं मैक्सिमा के लिए. अब मैक्सिमा के लिए भी आपको जो फॉर्मूला यूज़ करना है, दैट इज़ अ फॉर्मूला ऑफ द मैक्सिमा. फिर आपको वही डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना है कि अगर हमें मैक्सिमम चाहिए तो इन स्लिट के बीच का डिस्टेंस कितना होना चाहिए. सो वी विल सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू इन द फॉर्मूला. m के प्लेस पर 1 रखेंगे, फॉर्मूला ये रहा आपके पास में, तो 3/2 मिल जाएगा. यू कैन सी दिस. अब 30 वैल्यू 1/2 होता है, 2 से 2 कैंसिल कर दीजिए, d ऊपर ले जाइए तो वैल्यू ऑफ d आपको मिल जाएगा 10⁻⁻7 मीटर. तो हम देखेंगे सेकेंड टाइम जो हमें स्लिट का डिफरेंस मिलेगा वो इतना मैक्सिमा के लिए होना चाहिए.